Hi, welcome to this session, and I would like to tell you how to install WordPress using Amazon Web Services. So that first we need to go into AWS console. So console is nothing but a cPanel having complete settings about WordPress and dashboard settings. So go to and select Amazon Web Services Management Console. So there you can see like this. So this is a login page. If you had a login username and ID, then you need to come to here and you have to sign in by using this button. And so you have to assign your login ID and password. So I already entered my mail ID, and then I would like to come to my password also. I want to enter my password also. So go to and login. You will see like this. So we are going to console page. There you can find console dashboard. So AWS is different from any cPanel interface dashboard. So it's having about buckets, it's having about EC2, and it's having a lot of functionalities. So this session I would like to explain about how to install WordPress only. So that we need to go to and select EC2 down and please select EC2, then you will redirect into EC2 page. There we need to create some instances. So from there we have to install WordPress. So come to this page and you will see like this. EC2 page seems to be like this. Yes, this is the EC2 instance page, dashboard page. So come to here and select launch instances and select here and select launch instance. Then you will redirect into launch instance page. There we can install WordPress. Okay, so come to here and you can see like this launch instance page having like this. So come to AWS marketplace and select that option and you can see like this. You will see plenty of applications available here. Come here and search box and select WordPress. Press enter. Then you will redirect into you will find some WordPress installers. So we need to select WordPress certified by Bitnami and automatic. So we need to select this option and select this one. Then what it seems to be like this. It seems to be redirect into WordPress installation. Okay, so come here and it's having like this. So Amazon Web Services is a complete cloud hosting platform. It's a very different platform. So here these are having different types of packages also be there. So in Amazon Web Services section you can get more courses about this AWS. Okay, come and select this one and continue, and you will see like this. Choose Amazon Web Services, and here it seems to be it comes to second option. Choose instance type. Which type of instance do you know? So you need to select the second one, and after that come to and click configure instance details. Okay, so configuration having like this. You will come to third option, configure instance detail. Number of instance we need only one, and leave it all the default functionalities options whatever it had, leave it like that, and click add storage. Next, click add storage. So we come to an fourth option. There we are selecting 10 GB of the space from here. So come to and click next add tags section. So here you have to assign some tag like what the keyword is nothing but a website. This is demo website. I'm assigning tags and keywords for this website. So you have to select click configure and security group. This is the fifth option, and we are going to sixth option, configure and security group. So it's by default it's taking SSH, HTTP, HTTPS options. Even the protocols, it automatically takes these three types of protocols and types also, SSH, HTTP, HTTPS. Later we need to assign some more protocols and DNS based services also. So and click here, come to here and click review and launch, and there you will see like this. This is the final step review. So you need to check everything whatever we assigned some settings to install WordPress. So select and click launch. Then you have to authenticate with this final step. So select and create without key pair and select I acknowledge that I will not able to connect to the instance unless you have to authenticate this one. So after that launch instance. So now you are going to creating WordPress installation. So here in this IP number you will be able to see WordPress. Yes, here you can see your instance are now available, launched. Okay, so come here, view instance, and you can see like this, your WordPress has been installed successfully in Amazon Web Services. So what we did is we just installed WordPress, that's it. We couldn't add any WordPress theme. We have to do that in next sessions. So we did only installed our demo WordPress only. So how we can get WordPress login details known as username and password? I will see that option also. So here you can see it's initializing. So you can see that initializing. Later on that you will get some IP address here. These are my recent works, whatever I did and whatever I created. So it may take just 2-3 minutes time. Please have a look. Yes, okay. So here our instance has been modified. Demo, I am assigning some name. Yes, see, our WordPress has been installed in this demo session. So when you select on this, you will see IP like this. Okay, this is our website IP. So copy this one and come to open new tab. There you need to copy and paste. Open this one, you will see like this. What it is, it seems to be like this. This is only WordPress website. Okay, so here you can see right side of the below corner, it is the Bitnami logo. Means by using Bitnami we installed WordPress, so that it seems to be icon like that. Okay, we can create some CSS, then we can remove that one also. Okay, fine. So this is our dashboard, instance dashboard. From here we can get login ID, password. Go to actions and select instance settings. There you can select system log. Okay, you will see like this. Our WordPress name is demo, having system log having like this. Okay, so this is the system log functionalities. So this is WordPress front page. Whenever we want to log into this one, we have to assign WordPress admin. So it redirects into login page known as username and password. We have to assign that that username and password very manually. So go to and select this one. Here you can see some login details. having 9 digits login details is there. Okay, come on, under we can find here, it will be highlighted in some comments, so not here. Okay, come to bottom and select, this is our login details. See, Bitnami settings, Bitnami application password to, and the default application username is user. So application name is user and password is like this. So copy this one and go to login. This is username is like user and password I'm going to copy paste, you can see like this, and log into this account. So what we are doing is we are going to dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard, backend dashboard, because this is CMS platform now, so that we can access dashboard. So this is the front page. Okay, whatever we had, this is the front page. By default we can see just under WordPress site, by default the title seems to be users blog. We can customize all functionalities in this theme. So at present we install WordPress, and having default themes also be there. So this is the process to install WordPress into Amazon Web Services. Please have a look. If you had any doubts, please comment me below. Thank you.